Would you believe me if I told you that I created 5 applications in less than 24 hours? More specifically, in less than 2 hours. This is insane, and I did this all with the help of Lovable.dev. I am so amazed at the results. Like, it really created 5 applications. I'm going to show you guys the first one. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is Lovable's website. Lovable.dev is a site name, and with this, you can create apps and websites by giving it a prompt. So, before we jump right in, I want to say that I've tested this out with 5 different applications, and Lovable builds the bulk of it, but it does not build the entire thing front end, back end, like how people think like, oh, AI can create a full application. Yes, it could with the right prompts. However, this is just something base and functional that I can build upon. So let's get started. So here I'm going to enter, I want to create a mobile friendly web application that helps me pack for my vacation to Puerto Rico. It should use a clean aesthetic background and include features like the weather, time, and temperature. Think of this as an ultimate travel itinerary, but for packing. Now, I have already did this prompt, so I'm going to show you guys the result from when I first did this. So I have it running right now in VS Code, but after I enter the prompt, it builds it. It takes a little while to build it, maybe like a few minutes. And then if there's any issues, it'll state it, and then you can hit, can you fix this for me? But this is the application. So it says Puerto Rico Adventure. It has a date picker where I can select the departure and return date, and it has the location as to where I'm going. It tells me the current time there, which is 4:32 p.m., same as where I am now in Maryland. It has the weather there. I can see the weather for today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. I just noticed this has a little bug because today is Sunday, tomorrow's Monday. It skipped Tuesday, but that's something that can be fixed. Then we have a pack by category. So if I want to do clothes, I just can select clothes. I want to do beach, rain gear, electronics. It will input the items there, and whichever my last selection was, it'll push it to that category. Once I have the items packed, it has like a progress bar, and I'm able to select, unselect, delete if I don't want this here anymore, and I can keep going. So right now, like if I said I clicked on electronics, and let's say I wanted to bring my camera, so I'll add that here, and it'll say confirmation that it's been added to my packing list. So at the bottom, and here it lists it as general. So it's not perfect, but it definitely does work. I'm wondering if this picks up like the category on its own. Let's see. Okay, no, it doesn't pick it up on its own. That's something I can consider in the future. But I was like, I wanted something cute, and I wanted to make sure that it was mobile friendly, something that I can just go in and use, maybe clean up and improve. So I use Lovable to do this. So that is my packing app. Now, if you are thinking about making a packing app, I want you to keep a few things in mind. Lovable is great for accepting prompts, and also the code is very, very clean. So in VS Code, I opened up the project and I'm running it currently, but when I look through the code base, it's very clean code, very easy to read, and very easy to make changes if need be. Secondly, let's see, what else? You guys can give Lovable a prompt. It can create an application, and then you are able to actually go and push it to your GitHub, which is really cool. So what you'll do is you'll push it to your GitHub, and then it'll allow you to clone it so that you can access it from your local IDE. That way you can make any changes that you want. Now, this is just 1 out of 5 applications, and I'm making a video for every application. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you in part 2.